feeding them like this? Is it very satisfying? Between the two rabbits, can you tell us something about their personalities? Abba. Okay, tell me something about their personalities, please.
She's basically the kind person. She's very kind. She will accept pets and she's so cute. Bonnie, on the other hand, she'll release a nuke to the whole world.
How are you able to assess them pretty correctly? Though right now she looks like she can release a nuke to the world. And she is bugged with the photography and the paparazzi that follows her at all times. She's hungry, I think. Yeah, poor thing. Oh God, she's coming menacingly towards the camera. Next, I think she'll eat up our viewers
She's
also.
right now standing there menacingly.
And give the other lady also something to eat. Yeah, what her name is? Bonnie. Yeah, so sweet. Yeah.
If you pull the carrot.
Okay. Now she's coming to closely inspect and show us her nostrils. I will.
Carrot.
Okay, bye.
Carrot lady.